magpapakasal na ba kayo or something like that. And then all I said was, let's see, right? Let's see. And they took it in a way where ayoko. And it's like, guys, it's too early to say, diba? That's why we're getting to know each other. Miss B, nasa taping siya. She did. Magaling siya kumanta ng ano. Ay! Thank you! Salamat! Sino nagbigay nun? Ses! Thank you, Ses! Yeah! What a good time to never last too long. Kain tayo, guys. You guys are leaving out? I'll see you. Take care.
Okay. Lecture at the Jocelyn.
Ayun, may sasabihin si Ate
Bye.
Lydia.
Hindi ko alam na naka-live siya kagabi, guys. Tulog ako
Sa
nun.
mga brota ka, good luck tomorrow, guys, okay?
Ay, that's what I
Rock the house. Okay, ito na si Ate Lydia. Ayan na, ganda ng jersey.
Then, scramble for...
Yeah, we have a jersey ni EKL, or ni Chris Lawrence.
Pwede tayo
Meron din KKK. So,
sayang to.
if anyone of you wanted to purchase, that would be, for Canadian, we have 140 for 2 or 1 for $85. Pag US dollar, may dalawang US dollar, pwede rin. Okay? Andito lang po kami. And if you want to purchase the ticket, nasabi na yata ni...
hindi ko alam niya yung kanta na yun. I mean, alam niya, pero...
For the VIP is 105.
Panoorin ko yun.
The general admission is...
Saan siya nag-live? Facebook o YouTube?
Okay, thank you guys.
Ba't ganun? Saan siya nag-live? Sa ano?
Yung pinakbet po na okra. Pwede. Opo. Okra lang po. Thank you po.
Idadagdag lang doon na okra.
Or steam?
Or steam lang siya.
Steam
Kahit
lang.
steam tapos idadump na lang yan. Ayun. Thank you kapatid.
Sino magkakanin? Hindi ako magkakanin. I mean, yung ano kasi nagkanin. Galing-galing naman yung Austin. He understands Tagalog, but he doesn't speak much. But,
Nice. Yes, he understands. That's good enough.
Bukas na lang daw niya mamahalin kasi wala ka daw text. Wala akong text.
Okay.
Guys, lagi ako nagte-text sa kanya.
Ate,
Rice.
Lagi ako nag-message sa kanya. Siya yung hindi lang message sa akin. Pero okay lang. Baka busy lang siya. So, adjust. Dapat mag-duet kami ng ikaw pala, no? Oo nga. Mag-duet kaya kami. Ang sasabihin niya, sa'yo na yung mataas. Naabot ba niya yung mataas na part? Naabot niya? Si Mang kagabi. Talaga? Oh. Actually, sa Black App, maraming si
there's
Mang.
even. Bakit si Chris?
It's
Ano
weird.
sa Chris?
It's like,
Load na kay sis.
I saw this reel on Black App, and it was me answering a question that said, they asked, magpapakasal na ba kayo or something like that. And then all I said was, let's see, right? Let's see. they took it in a way where ayoko. And it's like, guys, it's too early to say, diba? That's why we're getting to know each other. That's why we're going through what we're going through. You don't just jump into those things. You know, marriage is a very serious thing, and you have to be sure. You can't just, you don't just jump into those things, you know, porque naging okay kami. Like, you don't jump into that, right? Kaya nga ligaw, di ba? Kaya nga getting to know each other again, di ba?
You know?
Marriage is something that you guys need to be sure of. Hindi nyo naging kayo tapos iisipin nyo magpapasal agad. Hindi ganun yun. Kilalanan nyo ang isa't isa, and honestly, to live with someone is different than to love someone. Those are two different things. You can love someone, but sometimes thank you. When you live with them, there's a lot of things, there's a lot of personality traits that come out.
At sa isang
And,
suka pa.
you know, that's where you guys have to adjust. You have to do adjustments. Hindi pwedeng like, hindi, ako to ganito ako so dapat mag-adjust siya. Both of y'all have to adjust. Both of you guys have to adjust. It's not isang tao lang mag-a-adjust. Hindi ganun yun. You both have to adjust. Because nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect, right? So, marami din matutunan. In a relationship, there's a lot you learn about yourself from the other person. So, there's things about yourself that you have to adjust to make it work. But first, you have to choose if you want it to work. It all starts from the choice. It all starts from the decision. So once you decide, you make it work. And then, when you make those changes, then you step back and you analyze, do I like this version of myself? Right? Do I like this version of myself? Because sometimes, adjust ka ng adjust. And then down the line, hindi mo pala gusto yung version na yun ng sarili mo. Like, you don't like that version of yourself. Right? That's why your partner is very important kasi they have to bring out the best version in you. If that partner is bringing a bad version out of you, you either have to make more adjustments, make different choices, or hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Because the goal here is for you to be the best version of yourself. It's always you first. Choose yourself, and then everything else will follow. When your cup is full, that's when you're able to help out. When your cup is full, those around you can help fill their cups. And when their cups are full, they can help all the other people around them. But it starts with you. It starts with you to become the best version of yourself. Yeah, diba? And even though I'm a new person, even though she's a new person, marami pa rin kailangan matutunan. This school of life is never ending because everything is always changing. So you have to roll with the change. You have to be adaptable. Hindi pwedeng ito ako ganito ako No, guys. Hindi pwede yun. You have to be able to be teachable. You have to be able to be adaptable to your surroundings. That's the way. Yeah, diba guys? Take it slowly. You don't just jump into something. Marriage is such a serious thing. You don't just jump into it, okay? Yes, Kat. Respect. Number one. Once you guys don't have respect for each other in the relationship, wag na kayo, don't be together anymore. Because that's number one, respect. If you don't respect that person, if they don't respect you, what's the point? You're just gonna you're gonna walk all over that person. You're gonna run all over that person. When you don't have respect for that person, whatever they say to you, wala ka nang pakialam. Kasi hindi mo nire-respeto yung tao na yun. So, in short, why stay in a relationship kung wala ka nang respeto? Diba? Direct Katie! Hindi yung sarili lang iisipin. Tama. Tama. Especially as a parent, di ba? We had our days to think of ourselves. Now, when you're a dad, when you're a mom, you have kids. Iba na yung priority. Iba na yung decision mo. But Jeneline, you must be flexible. Tama. Hindi pwede my way or the highway. No. That's called narcissism. That's called selfish. And that means you're not ready to be in the relationship. What's up, man? Picture? Sure. Oo naman. Gusto mo dito? Sige, tara. Kapit tayo.
Good. Thank you.
One second, guys.
Idol kita eh.
Thank you, sir.
Paganda walang plug. Tanggal mo yung plug niya.
But I'll see you tomorrow. Salamat, sir. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you for the visit here.
Bukas, kita-kits tayo.
Yes po.
Sige. Ray, I showed the makeup that you got Kat. She said, wow. So she says, thank you for the care package of makeup. I know girls love their makeup. Sure. Sige po. One second, guys.
Sorry, big fan for you.
Hey, thank you po.
Manager, promoter. May mga ticket na po kayo for tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Ticket na kayo for
May one kayo bukas?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a ticket.
Sure.
Baka naman gusto yung manood. Baka picture.
One second, guys, ha?
Someone ordered today. Ay, ito yata.
Everybody, parang natin lahat.
Ang sarap niyan. Ito. If you want to cook it. Nice lang yan.
Ay, bilis. Thank you po.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Sir,
Load kayo bukas.
Yeah. Thanks, sir. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Salamat. Yan. Online si Miss B. Asan siya?
Pinagkakagulan na si Mr. B dito.
kailangan ba doble?
Double.
Mr. Big kailang concert sa Dubai? Sana November. Let's see. Let's see, ha?
Kaya, sarap. Mas gusto ko to.
Uy, salamat sa stars, guys. Is that Tony the Tiger? Yep, it's Tony the Tiger. Even on the back, look. I can't turn around. Yeah, that's Tony the Tiger. It's from Kith. There's this brand called Kith. Sulit ang puyat sa inyo ni Miss B. Thanks, Jenilyn. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot of experiences, but I mean, that's life, right? When you go through things, the best way to receive it is, hey, I learned something. When bad things happen, it's about perspective. You say, oh shit, all right, hey, at least I learned something. Always level up, upgrade. Every day, how can I upgrade? How do I upgrade myself? Every day. Tanggal angas na naman. Ganun ba yun? Uy. Ay, lumpia, guys. Guys, kita-kits po tayo bukas. Winnipeg. Sarap. Muna sa typing siya. Alright, see you, Joy. Babylon. Oh, thank you, pretty. Bitter spotted? What do you mean bitter spotted? Uy, naka-KKK jersey na sila, oh. Nakakatuwa. He is watching.
Maybe I'm just missing all alone.
Diba? Kukuha ng lumpia, pare. Kunin mo yung lumpia. Sausa mo sa suka. Actually, kagatin mo muna. Para mabuksan, diba? Sausa mo sa suka. Habang basa pa ng suka. Habang nandun. Isang bok choy, di ba?
Memories I can't give up.
Sarap.
It's gotta never leave you. Sleep away. All in a reason for you to sleep. Can you feel me singing
Aww. Thank you, Racer. Racer? Guys, nag-record ako ng 2 bagong kanta. Yes. May jersey bukas, guys.
Magkano ng ticket ako para pagka-date ng ready na yung mo.
Ano yung mga, may binibenta kayo doon? Susulat ko.
Yes.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Galing ah.
Ano lang yata? Right. Kung sika.
T-shirt. Meron ka pa ba dyan?
Yes.
What
size?
I saw part 1. Yung nakaganon siya, about fast is fast. I saw that one. Hindi ko nakita kung yung part 2 or what. Nakakatawa. May simang. Saan?
Ingat ka ha.
Babalik daw siya.
Ay, may simang nga. May simang nga. Guard, pakilabas yung simang na yan. I-block na yan. Are the 2 songs for Miss B. Abangan nyo.
Try ko naman. Try ko naman.
Pero you know what? I think I need feeling ko kailangan ko ng Tagalog. So,
Pero bukas at chances, tapos ano,
honestly, because I'm trying to,
hindi naman fair sa'yo.
one of my dreams is to have at least 2 international songs na nag-hit. That's a big dream of mine. So, diba? Strike lang na strike. Nakakalaban naman tayo, diba? We get to get the new songs tomorrow. No new songs tomorrow. The 2 new songs, maybe November or next year. Kasi may mga naka-line up.
Tapos nakita-kita sa suwag, nandun ako. Ay, diba?
Tapos namin yun.
May kakanta ng Risk It All. Lasing po ba yung umakanta? Oh, yes. So in your heart, I'll do anything you ask me to. Feel more than more. What's that? Oh my God, guys, make cake. Make cake.
Is it cake?
Look, guys, what is that? Ang laki, oh. Wow. Tingnan natin.
Oh, medium daw. Ayun.
Medium.
Yun, oh.
Kuya,
Yeah.
fresh. for sure. Yeah.
Ah.
Papirmahan mo na rin.
Thank Sugar Blue?
Yeah, Sugar Bloom. Bloom. Kayo na lang iba.
Maraming salamat, Sugar Bloom.
Or kay Marky.
Hindi ko makita yung si Mang, guys. I think hindi siya nag-message. Pirmahan ko. Oo naman. Pirmahin ko yan. Ano ba tayo, ano? Ah, thank you.
Oh, fair. Gusto nila kainin ng cake?
Pwede. Christita. Hi, Christita. Olivia BD. See you tomorrow. It's okay, guys. Hindi pwede umulang si Mang. Laging may si Mang eh. It's okay. When you see the si Mang, attack! No, just kidding. Sabihan mo lang. We choose peace. We choose peace, guys. Always choose peace.
Yan, baka